Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation, we will explain about article review in stylistic perception. The journal is entitled Lelucon Para Koruptor, written by Agus Nur, that will be compared with the other journals. The research contains several points, namely the first is the form of figure of speech that is contained in short stories. That written by Agus Nur. Then the second is the meaning of the figure of speech contained in the short story, and the last is the function of the figure of speech contained in the short story. Jadi penelitian ini berisi beberapa poin, yaitu yang pertama, bentuk majas yang terkandung dalam cerpen Lelucon Para Koruptor karya Agus Nur. Kemudian yang kedua adalah makna majas yang terkandung dalam cerpen. Yang terakhir adalah fungsi majas yang terkandung dalam cerpen. Penelitian ini menggunakan pendekatan kualitatif yang dipaparkan secara deskriptif. Kemudian hasil penelitian ini berupa kumpulan cerpen Lelucon Para Koruptor karya Agus Nur yang memanfaatkan beragam majas, yakni majas perbandingan yang berjenis simile, metafora, personifikasi, alegori, majas pengontrasan yang berjenis hiperbola, paradoks, sarkasme, majas penyiasatan, struktur yang berjenis antitetis. Kemudian yang kedua adalah makna yang tersirat dalam cerpen atau arti yang tersembunyi di balik kata yang terkandung di dalam cerpen. Kemudian yang ketiga yaitu fungsi untuk meyakinkan atau mempengaruhi pembaca agar dapat memahami pesan dan cerita yang ada dalam cerpen tersebut, serta menciptakan suasana hati tertentu, misalnya kesan baik atau buruk, senang, tidak senang, yang diterima karena pelukisan tempat, peristiwa, dan keadaan tertentu. Sekian dari saya, dilanjutkan oleh rekan saya yaitu Safril Wahyu Setiadi.
Okay, now we will move to the second point of strength point in the journal entitled Gaya Bahasa dalam Kumpulan Cerpen Lelucon Para Koruptor karya Agus Nur. So we have 3 points of strength. The first one is it provides an explanation of previous research or from the expert. From the explanation presented in the journal, the author writes several explanations that come from experts to support the explanation. It aims to provide further explanation about the material. When compared with the journal entitled Kajian Stilistika Cerpen Warung Penajam, karya Ahmad Tohari, which only explains without giving any explanation from the expert. The second one is provides a more detailed explanation. This journal explains in detail the topic written in this article. Before explaining the results of the discussion, the author provides an explanation of the style of language and the material to be discussed, namely figurative language, in detail. After that, the author also provides examples of some of the explanations that have been presented to support the explanations. With a complete explanation given by the author, it will make it easy for readers to understand the topic. And then the last one, it has a more complete journal structure. This journal also has strength point in the structure when compared to other journals. A complete journal structure can give us better explanation because it contains the information in it. The structure in this journal includes abstract, introduction, theoretical basis, methods, result and discussion, and then the last one is conclusion. Thank you.
Now, in the third part, we will explain about the drawbacks from the main journal entitled Gaya Bahasa dalam Kumpulan Cerpen Lelucon Para Koruptor karya Agus Nur, with 3 journal of our choice with title Kajian Stilistika Cerpen Warung Penajem karya Ahmad Tohari, and the second, Gaya Bahasa dalam Kumpulan Cerpen Kaca Piring karya Danarto, and the last, Kajian Stilistika dalam cerpen berjudul Penembak Misterius karya Seno Gumira Ajidama. From the comparisons to the main journals with the 3 selected journals, our group did not find any deficiencies in the main journals, which means starting from the journal structure, introduction, explanations, until research result of the main journals that have the best quality compared to the 3 journals we selected. So we find no flaws in the main journals. I think that's our opinion, and that's all. I'm sorry for the mistakes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you in advance for Farah Safira that have explained the first point is about the resume that the article given by Mr. Irham, and for Safira Sutiadi that have explained about the strengthened point and comparison with the other journal, and Siti Muawana for the explain the third point is about the drawback and a comparison with the other journal. And in this opportunity, I will represent the statement of my group about the review and compare the journal with the journal given by Mr. Irham with the other journal. So, like Safil says before, that the the journal given by Mr. Irham that has 3 explanation, or that has 3 a strengthened point and no any drawback, like Anna said before. So our group is agree or support with the journal given by Mr. Irham entitled Gaya Bahasa dalam Kumpulan Cerpen Lelucon Para Koruptor karya Agus Nur, suatu kajian stilistika. Maybe it's enough from my group. And wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.